Ah, Borscht. Borscht consomme. Look at that pure, bright red color, packed with antioxidants, loaded with all kinds of vitamins and nutrients. Oh yeah, that right there is superfood. Wow. Subscribe to the channel. Search Borscht on the channel. Learn how to make this soup. Oh yeah, it's going to be good. Check out the sponsor. Right now they're having a butcher block sale. This is end grain maple. It's awesome. This particular block has been cut on 10 million times or more. And it's super durable. It looks like new. Many chefs have used this, and we oil it. We oil it with the mystery oil once a month. Keeps it nice and fresh. This particular one, I believe, is 30 by 25 and 4 inches thick. The best. You've seen some of these on TV. Our chefs are on there. Other chefs, all these people are using this butcher block because it's the best. Check the sponsor. Oh yeah. Get cooking and have a great day. Oh yeah. Once again, cheers to your health. Wow. Finished stew. Touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Roll them up tight. Beautiful. Fresh chopped oregano. Yeah. Pizza. We've got garlic, tomatoes, onions, roasted peppers, asparagus, a bunch of other interesting things on here. I like to finish with a little bit of the fresh oregano, as well as a dusting of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano mixed with Pecorino Romano. Yeah. How's that look? Drop a comment. And as usual, like, share, subscribe. Helps other people find the channel. Oh yeah. Yeah, you see that? It's perfect. Like a crispy cracker. That right there is what I'm looking for. No leaks. Perfection. Excellence in every bite. Yeah. All right. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. Like, share, subscribe. Oh, yeah. That's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew. Touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Right there. Just search bread on this channel. Okay, if Chef asks you for some chopped fresh basil, that's what he's looking for right there. Not the garbage you see at the fast food places. You know what I'm talking about, like Chipotle and Burger King and TGI and all these crazy fast food places. This is perfect chopped fresh basil. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded. Made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pear. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting boards, chopping blocks, butcher blocks, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.